everyone.
Hi Kunal.
Hi Kunal from Finbucks Financial Management. Welcome to all. Hi Kathy, how are you?
I'm very well, Kunal. How are you?
So we have all good. So everyone, we have with us Miss Kathy Rupani. She is an accomplished dietitian, menu designer, blogger, and a recipe developer. She was the chief dietitian at Leelamati Hospital, one of the leading hospitals in India. Right now, she is, the pioneer of health kitchen in the corporate sector. She has developed more than 500 recipes, which are extremely healthy.
I could have a lot of audio issues. Everyone can hear me? Yeah, can you? And let's have the chat section working live and extremely well done. ठीक है ना? So today's webinar is only about the participants. है ना? आज के webinar में आपको कोई भी question हो, any questions that any of you have on health, on nutrition, on pandemic, आप अपने chat में लिखते जाओगे. Right or wrong, guys? So what I would like to do is, सबसे पहले I would like to give a small introduction about myself. मेरा नाम ख्याति रूपानी है. Also please tell me what language would you want me to talk in. Shall I talk in English? Shall I talk in Hindi? ये दोनों languages में काफ़ी comfortable हूँ तो आपको बहुत अच्छे से explain कर सकती हूँ. My name is Khyati Rupani.
Kathy, the perfect will be English.
English? Perfect. All right. So my name is Khyati Rupani and I am running balancenutrition.in. What is balancenutrition.in? It is an online app where we have a team of 60 nutritionists, technicians, everyone who make sure that we are doing our job when it comes to diets for weight loss, diets for diabetes management, cholesterol management. अब जब lockdown है, we have a lot of requests even on taking care of health and immunity during lockdown. As far as my qualifications are concerned, I have done my master's in health and nutrition, specializing in clinical nutrition, and so is the team extremely qualified, working since the last 15 years. Now when it comes to the questions related to health, questions related to nutrition, questions related to any other topic in the world that you have when it comes to food, please put them to me, because अगर ये 1-to-1 होगा, it won't be that much fun as much as it would be many to one. Okay, so please keep putting your questions. And Neha is saying that can you please tell me the website name? It is www.balancenutrition.in, Neha. But what I would say is, for the time being, let's focus on a little bit of nutrition. Let's focus on a little bit of health. है ना? Hi to everyone who's watching us. सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन आई थिंक मैं ही आंसर कर देती हूँ, and let me only ask the question so you all get all inclined to addressing this whole issue. ठीक है ना? So the first question I think everyone has in their mind is, ये work from home जो हो रहा है since the last 5 months, and we have lost out on a lot of mobility. We are sitting at home, we are doing something that we never did, है ना? So in that context, right, we should understand, हमको वो understand करना ही पड़ेगा as to how to now balance out our nutrition, how to now balance out our entire day's diet. Does this topic, do you guys think this topic is good? Yeah. Today's webinar is also organized by Finbucks Financial Management. So what I want to do is, I want to start with that question only. And the question that I think you should be having in your mind is, lockdown mein hum kya kare? Most of the times what we have seen is, in the lockdown or when you all are working from home, rather than eating less, आपको you should be eating a lot lesser than what you were when you were very active. अब सब लोग खाना ज़्यादा खाने लगे हो. All of you have started eating a little more. How many of you agree to that? That yes, people have started eating more, or we have started eating more than what we should. And some of you are now, after 4 months, also seeing weight gain. आप लोग weight gain भी तो करते हो, है ना? Yeah. And yes, Neha is saying appetite has gone low. Neha, then lucky for you. But yes, for all of us over here, most of us come to or seem to have gained weight. है ना, ये 4-5 महीने में या तो हमारा वेट गेन हो गया या एसिडिटी हो गई है। तो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट लेट मी एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग टू यू, है ना। विशाल इज बिंजिंग, सो यस हम लोग सब आजकल बिंज करने लगे हैं, है ना। कुछ काम नहीं है, राइट, बिकॉज यू ऑल डोंट हैव अ डे एंड यू ऑल डोंट हैव अ नाइट। मोस्ट ऑफ अस व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, यू नो, हम लोग कभी भी उठते हैं, हम लोग देर तक काम करते हैं, ना हमारा लंच टाइम है, ना हमारा इवनिंग स्नैक टाइम है, ना हमारा कॉफी ब्रेक है, ना हमारा कोई स्केड्यूल है, राइट। समटाइम्स इवन आई एम वर्किंग एंड आई एम गोइंग ऑन अ कॉल विथ माई टीम इन द नाइट्स, विच इज वेरी अनयूजुअल बिकॉज एक बार ऑफिस को ताला मार दो, फिर उसके बाद देयर इज नो वन टू लुक एट एंड वी ऑल हैड आवर पर्सनल लाइव्स, है ना। सो व्हाट हैज हैपेंड नाउ इज इनिशियली वी वर इन सच अ रश कि वो ट्रेन पकड़नी है या वो बस पकड़नी है। व्हाट यूज्ड टू हैपन वाज वी यूज्ड टू क्विकली ईट सम ब्रेकफास्ट और जस्ट रश आउट एंड देन we have to immediately start work. So our breakfast used to be, if it used to be a very small portion, right. उसके बाद हमारा मिड मॉर्निंग जो होता था वो एक कटिंग होता था और एक स्मॉल कप ऑफ कॉफी. मोस्ट ऑफ अस ignored something or had a biscuit here and there. Then came lunch. Most of us carried a lunch which was roti and sabzi, isn't it? रोटी सब्जी एंड किसी से कुछ ले लिया, किसी को कोई टेस्टी सब्जी ले ली. एंड इफ यू आर अ लिटिल प्रोटीन बफ, आई वुड सी अ स्मॉल कटोरा ऑफ दही और अ पैकेट ऑफ दही that we carried. अब क्या हो रहा है, अब breakfast is a lavish affair. अगर आपको भूख लग रही है, आप किचन जा रहे हो, you're finding some junk, you're finding any packet of chip, your breakfast starts with that, a tea and a biscuit, add a chip here, add things here, add things there, all junk, right? उसके बाद what you're doing is you're again hungry and you again want to start binging, and that is the time when your chocolate is coming out. That is the time कभी fruit, very few of you will go and have a fruit in the mid morning, but yes, packaged foods are supposed to be safe और हम सब खाने लगे क्योंकि उसमें इन्फेक्शन नहीं होगा, isn't it? उसके बाद हो गया लंच, जो डब्बा वाला लंच था, अब वो लंच हो गया है रोटी सब्जी दाल चावल. और इफ इट ऑल आपको शॉर्टकट लेना है खाने में, वी आर मेकिंग छोले विथ पूरी. Puri is easier, we are making rice with something else, which is A, incomplete, B, we are adding a lot of ready to eat and ready-made foods in our diet. So that is the situation that the world is in today. What I feel is COVID से बचने के लिए हम अपने आप को कुछ ज़्यादा ही expose कर रहे हैं with all the other dangerous things in life. COVID is a pandemic, but so is diabetes. ये सब packaged food खाकर हमारे portions ऊपर नीचे करके, plus none of us are getting out. Isn't it? None of us are going and exposing ourselves to all the dirt that we did. वो ट्रेन में कोई अपने पास आके छींकता है, somebody is coughing, lot of things were happening which were keeping your immunity strong. Now what you're doing is you're eating more, you're moving less. Vitamin D hardly मिलता है for people who have not been, stepping out, isn't it? So that is the whole situation that we are in. Now it comes to how to save ourselves and how to make sure that we live healthy and we eat healthy. सबसे पहले तो हमें यही करना है. What we need to do is we need to make sure that first of all we tend to have a little timetable in our life, है ना. थोड़ा सा टाइम टेबल तो बहुत ज़रूरी है. Try to have a meal pattern. अगर आप ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हो, try and avoid eating anything that is coming out straight from a packet like a bread butter or something. कल रात का पराठा बचा है ना, अगर वो खाना है, that is also a better idea than including or indulging yourself in anything that is fried or packaged, isn't it? Always 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 एक फ्रूट आपके ब्रेकफास्ट में इंक्लूड कर लो. अब वो फ्रूट अगर रोज बनाना हुआ देन इट्स नॉट अ गुड डील, और अगर वो फ्रूट रोज आपका एप्पल हुआ देन ऑल्सो इट्स नॉट अ गुड डील, राइट. आपको फ्रूट की वेराइटी खानी है. सो विच एवर फ्रूट यू आर गेटिंग, प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट दैट फ्रूट इज कमिंग इन अ वेराइटी. अच्छे फ्रूट्स मिल रहे हैं. We are pretty eased out with availability also. And yes, people are scared कि हम जो खाना ला रहे हैं हम उसे सैनिटाइज कर रहे हैं. राइट नाउ कोई प्रूफ नहीं हुआ है. देयर इज नो प्रूफ that आप if you are able to sanitize the coronavirus is dying. बट आपको सडनली ऐसे क्यों लगने लगा है कि that biscuit packet will not have any virus, right? So get that out of your head and start including fruits and vegetables in your diet. ठीक है ना. हम सब अपने अपने काढ़ा पीने लगे हैं. A lot of us are very very responsible with our health and immunity in terms of corona, but not in terms of what we should be. ओके ऐसे ही जिएंगे ना तो वी विल वेरी सून से हाई टू बीइंग ओवरवेट. आपको काफी लोगों को एसिडिटी और सब हो भी रहा होगा, राइट. मेक श्योर दैट योर लंच व्हेन यू आर ईटिंग is having either roti or rice, Okay, it is having a protein in the form of a dal or a paneer or a pulse or whatever is cooked at home. And it is also having a big portion of vegetables. I know vegetable cutting chopping can become a little difficult, but that is what we do. इतना तो price हम health के लिए pay कर ही सकते हैं, right? So a nice cooked vegetable and a nice raw vegetable, that becomes a beautiful thali. अब आते हैं evening पे. Evening पे a lot of us are feeling hungry. A lot of us want to eat something very chatpata. Anyone heard of cucumber सेव पूरी? सिर्फ सेव पूरी की जो पूरी होती है ना, पूरी हटा के वहां पे क्यूकम्बर स्लाइस रख दो. You will make sure that you have not only saved 400-500 calories coming from pure fat, but you are also feeling excellent. ठीक है ना? I make beetroot सेव पूरीज at home, जिसमें नीचे बीटरूट है और ऊपर काफी सारी interesting toppings है, isn't it? Then it comes to dinner. Dinner is the time when you're binge watching, and जो dinner में खाना शुरू करता है वो जाके midnight में the person is locking his or her mouth, right? That is something that we should avoid, isn't it? This is what happens when we do something very, very nice for a normal typical day in what I would say is lockdown. I still see there are no questions coming, so I will try and pick out a few questions which I think will help all of you who are listening to me. Sheetal here has asked long back that almond soaked or plain, and how to eat basically an almond. तो अब almond की जब बात हो रही है, let me talk about nuts in total, ठीक है ना? सबको पता है कि when we talk about nuts, है ना, आपको लगता है कि nuts में cholesterol है, isn't it? All of you think that nuts have a lot of cholesterol, but can I tell you something? All nuts are cholesterol free. Yeah, your badam is cholesterol free, your kaju is cholesterol free, your pista is cholesterol free. All of them are free from cholesterol. Yeah, your oils which advertise buy this because it is cholesterol free, all oils are cholesterol free. Yeah, whether it's peanut oil, whether it's olive oil, आप जो भी oil खरीदते हो, है ना, आप cholesterol free ही खा रहे हो, isn't it? So what I want you to understand is the concept of fat and cholesterol. Understood? When it comes to cholesterol, anything that comes from animals is having cholesterol. Okay? सबसे पहला पार्ट आपको ये समझना है कि जो भी cholesterol rich food है, अब animals में से क्या आता है? Does ghee come from animals? Yes, it does, right? Because ghee is coming from the milk than the cream that is coming from a cow or a buffalo or a goat, etc. जिसका भी घी बनता है. Is butter cholesterol? Yeah, it's there in cholesterol. Yeah, your butter also. Okay, so this is the concept. दही में कोलेस्ट्रॉल है, हाँ है. रसगुल्ला में कोलेस्ट्रॉल है, हाँ है. जलेबी में कोलेस्ट्रॉल है, हाँ है, क्योंकि जलेबी घी में फ्राई की हुई. अगर ऑयल फ्राइड गंदी सी जलेबी है, it does not have cholesterol. Okay, so does that mean आप अभी nuts बहुत सारा खाने लगोगे? नहीं ना. Nuts are supposed to be had. They are high in calories and they are high in fat. Have you seen your blood report? It says cholesterol, LDL, HDL and VLDL. है ना? So this is what we have to do as far as your cholesterol and your fat is concerned. All your vegetable sources of fat will raise your triglycerides if you eat high amounts of it. ज़्यादा खाओगे तो आपका triglyceride level बढ़ जाएगा, आपका VLDL level बढ़ जाएगा. ठीक है ना? Understood? So that is what you have to understand. That cholesterol is present only in animals. तो जो भी आप लोगों का concept है on buying an expensive oil because it is cholesterol free, well, आपका सस्ता सा सींग का तेल या sunflower का तेल normal वाला भी cholesterol free ही होता है. Okay, so when it comes to cholesterol, please understand it is coming. चिकन में कोलेस्ट्रॉल है? जी हाँ, आपके चिकन में कोलेस्ट्रॉल है. अब आती है बात क्वांटिटी की और उसको कैसे खाया जाए. नट्स आर एक्सट्रीमली हाई इन कैलोरीज. सो अगर आप अपने आप को कहते हो कि मैं दिन में 5 बादाम खाओगी, सो जस्ट इमेजिन अगर आप 30 डेज तो आप 150 बादाम खा चुके हो. दैट मच बादाम इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड व्हेन यू आर इन अ लॉकडाउन. Okay, 1 badam a day if you eat, then also you will end up eating 30 badams in a month. सेम हैपन्स विद बिस्किट्स. अगर आप दिन में 3 बिस्किट खा रहे हो तो आप बाय द एंड ऑफ द मंथ 90 बिस्किट खा चुके हो. एंड दैट इज एन एक्सट्रीमली अनहेल्दी practice to do. So 1 badam a day, I think it should be fine. Any way you want it, whether you want it plain, whether you want it soaked, it is perfectly okay. Okay, so quantity of dry fruits, Neha, go as easy as you can. Also, there is a difference between dry fruit and nut. Anything that is cashew nut, anything that is a non-sweet tasting is a nut. ड्राई फ्रूट इज अ फ्रूट दैट इज ड्राइड. अंजीर को ड्राई करके वो ड्राइड अंजीर बनता है. एप्रिकॉट्स ऑल्सो आर फ्रूट्स विच आर ड्राइड. किशमिश इज अ ग्रेप दैट इज ड्राइड. सो व्हेन यू ड्राई अ फ्रूट, उसकी शुगर कंटेंट बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है. Okay, and that is the reason we take it easy even with your dry fruits. They are very high calorie. Okay, healthy होने में और high calorie होने में बहुत फर्क है. Okay, because avocado is healthy doesn't mean आप उसको बहुत खाने लगो, because वो बहुत फैट में हाई है. हर एक चीज का एक proportion होता है. Make sure that that proportion that you maintain is something that you always live by. Okay. There we say that Vishal is asking, biscuit not recommended by you, even Threptin is not recommended. Well, first and foremost, Threptin is not considered to be a biscuit. Threptin is given to those who are underweight. Okay, Threptin एक ऐसा फॉर्मूला बनाया है जिसमें बहुत सारा प्रोटीन और बहुत सारी कैलोरीज है. So Threptin is considered good for somebody who's underweight, for some child जिसका मुझे हाइट बढ़ाना है, जिसको मुझे प्रोटीन देना है, जिसको मुझे कैलोरीज देना है, या फिर anybody who's come out of a surgery and has become very weak. Okay, so you have to make sure that you understand what that food is meaning for. All right. There is a question on PCOS and there is a question on kids also. Okay, what is a permanent solution to beat PCOS? The permanent solution to beat PCOS, यहाँ पे I don't know how many know, but many of them must be knowing that मैं खुद एक PCOS warrior हूँ. PCOS was supposed to be called PCOD. D means a disease and a disease means something that has a cure. समथिंग दैट हैज अ क्योर मतलब उसका फार्मास्यूटिकल टैबलेट में या इंजेक्शन के फॉर्म में कोई ड्रग अवेलेबल है. पीसीओएस के लिए तो कोई ड्रग ही अवेलेबल नहीं है. देयर इज नथिंग अवेलेबल. इट इज एज मच वरी एज अ डायबिटीज और कोलेस्ट्रॉल और अ थायराइड केसेस. ये सारी चीजें जो है ना, उसका कोई क्योर नहीं होता. अंडरस्टैंड. और जब किसी चीज का कोई क्योर नहीं होता, द पर्सन हैज टू कम टू अ लाइफस्टाइल थेरेपिस्ट, अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट. In India, I understand the qualification of nutritionist is something that is still being addressed. Not many qualified nutritionists are coming out, and the concept of a dietitian in India is weight loss कराएगी. ठीक है ना. तो weight loss नहीं कराती है. एक dietitian starts her journey right from the day you start weaning. So जब वो बच्चा 5 months या 6 months का होता है, उसे weaning कैसे कराते हैं? Right from there up till your geriatric age, जब आपके पास दांत नहीं बचते, तब तक एक डाइटिशियन का रोल होता है आपको समझाने में. सो अ डाइटिशियन इज रिक्वायर्ड इन एवरी फेज ऑफ योर लाइफ, वेदर यू लाइक इट और नो. ठीक है ना. सो डाइटिशियन का जॉब लो कैलोरी डाइट्स देना और आपका वजन कम कराना ही नहीं है ना, आपको सिर्फ 6 पैक एब्स देना है. ठीक है. नाउ लेट मी कम टू पीसीओएस. सो पीसीओएस बीट करने का एक ही तरीका है. सबसे पहला, पीसीओएस से विमेन को होता है, सबसे पहला तरीका है स्टे एज मच पॉसिबल नियर योर आइडियल वेट रेंज. ओके, सब लोग को लगता है पीसीओएस में इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू लूज वेट, बट दैट्स नॉट द कॉन्सेप्ट. देर इज ऑल्सो अनदर मिथ फ्लोटिंग अराउंड दैट इफ यू स्टॉप ईटिंग ग्लूटेन पीसीओएस चला जाएगा. यार ग्लूटेन की जो स्टोरी है, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दैट टू यू गाइज. We have been a wheat eating population since generations now. So I don't understand when we suddenly become gluten intolerant and lactose intolerant. Both these are American concepts. In America, gluten and bread was not eaten for generations. They depended a lot on Mexico. Mexico used to give them a lot of corn and a lot of tomatoes, and they ate meat. So now a corn eating population started eating wheat. इसीलिए उनको gluten intolerance होती है. हमें नहीं हो सकती. दैट इज वाई कॉर्नफ्लेक्स, they have too much corn, so that is why they are marketing their cornflakes. ठीक है ना. So when it comes to even lactose, Americans were not a very heavy milk or a milk product drinking population. जब वो शुरू करा उन्होंने, that is when they started getting allergies. Even nut, they have all these allergies because they were not accustomed to it. Just because you have PCOS doesn't mean आपको gluten छोड़ देना चाहिए. हाँ, the addition of other cereals like a brown rice or a bajra or a nachni is something I would do in your diet. I would make it a little more natural. But उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप ये डाइट और ये डाइट फॉलो करो जो कि लाइफ लॉन्ग नहीं कर सकते. So whenever you are addressing any disorder, बी क्लियर अबाउट सर्टन थिंग्स. जब मैं 90 kgs की हो गई थी पीसीओएस के बाद, आई ऑलवेज अंडरस्टूड दैट देर आर सर्टन थिंग्स आई कांट लीव. आई कुड नेवर स्टार्ट ईटिंग ब्रेकफास्ट. मुझे ब्रेकफास्ट कभी नहीं सूझा. आई एम गुजराती, सो आवर मॉर्निंग यूज्ड टू बी चाय एंड खाखरा. सो मैं कभी ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं खा पाई. तो आई एडजस्टेड माई लाइफ स्टाइल बेस्ड ऑन दैट. मैंने आई नेवर कुड स्टॉप, आई वॉज ऑल कम ऑन, आई लाइक फूड, तो मैं कभी बाहर का खाना बंद नहीं कर पाई. तो देन clients at Balanced Nutrition have a restaurant guide to look at, है ना. Even alcohol on a Saturday socially, sometimes a glass of wine is perfect for me. So then I started making an alcohol guide. So हर चीज़ का एक proportion होता है, हर चीज़ का एक portion होता है, आपको बस वो सीखना है. PCOS, that is the best way. ठीक है ना. Please suggest a quick evening snack for kids. As you suggested cucumber puri, I feel I'm missing making this important meal healthy. हाँ, my favorite evening snacks. आई लव चिल्लाज ऑफ ऑल काइंड. सबसे पहले तो सारे कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स हटा दिए, बेसन का चिल्ला बना लिया या फिर एनी मूंग दाल का चिल्ला बना लिया, एंड आई थिंक दैट गिव्स मी द लाइसेंस टू एड एनी ग्रेटेड वेजिटेबल्स टू इट. लाइक टुडे द चिल्ला आई हैव मेड हैज ग्रेटेड गाजर, ग्रेटेड बीटरूट, कॉर्न, कैप्सिकम, कोथमीर, and my child enjoyed it. Right? So chillas are my favorite evening snack. The other evening snack that I love is sprout chaat. I make it with meetha chutney and tikha chutney, and I add a little bit of save. I add pomegranate. I don't know pomegranate को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं, but I add all of that, and I feel that becomes extremely filling. If you're a non-vegetarian, best time to anar, correct. Best time to include eggs is what I would say is the evening time, rather than going for a samosa or rather than going for a tikki or a kachori and then feeling sick in the night. It's better to go with something like this. मुझे दही चाट भी बहुत पसंद है, where sprouts, दही, घर में जो भी vegetables है मिक्स करो, थोड़ा सा पीनट्स डालो. I also put a little bit of chana and then I top it with my chutneys, and that is how I love having my evening snacks. ठीक है ना. Now let's talk about quantity of dry fruits. Which are the foods to eat, good foods to eat after exercise? Perfect. ये मैंने question, I have never addressed it before, but now I think it's time to address it. You have to see what time of the day are you exercising. ठीक है ना. जब आप exercise करते हो, okay, that is the time when you make sure that you are hydrated well. Exercise के पहले a good meal would be a banana, a good meal would be an apple. अगर lunch के बाद या snack के बाद directly नहीं कर रहे हो, but अगर एक meal खाया हुआ है उसके 1 घंटे या 1.5 घंटे बाद if you're exercising, you make sure that you're doing it perfectly well. Okay. During exercise, your hydration is important. I'm always carrying a bottle wherever I am, even if I'm sitting on the desk at home. After exercise, you must include a little bit of protein in your diet, and that can come from any form. I'm not saying protein powder जाके खरीद लो. It could be that chilla which I told you. It could be sattu ka, since I'm addressing a lot of North Indians, it could be that sattu ka drink which is made very easily. It could be a nice glass of milk, with a fruit added to it, a little bit of oats added, make a nice smoothie out of it. Yogurt वाला कुछ पी सकते हो. So that is a beautiful post workout meal. ठीक है ना. डाइट फॉर हाई कोलेस्ट्रॉल, डाइट फॉर हाई कोलेस्ट्रॉल जो है, इफ आई हैव टू रिकमेंड डाइट फॉर हाई कोलेस्ट्रॉल, द फर्स्ट थिंग आई विल डू इज कि ये बंदा फाइबर कितना खा रहा है, हाउ मच ऑफ फाइबर. सो तराना, what we will do is we will answer the questions that come later in the comments. Okay, so what I would recommend right now is let's talk about diet and high cholesterol. The first and foremost is checking your fiber intake. Normal recommendation of fiber for an adult who is not even overweight is 40 grams. आप लोगों का फाइबर अगर मैं डाइसेक्ट करके देखूं, it is less than 15 grams. Okay, fiber comes from where? Fiber comes from bajra, fiber comes from brown rice, fiber comes from चना की सब्जी बनाई है, फाइबर कम्स फ्रॉम मेथी. बट अगर आप मेथी मटर मलाई खा रहे हो तो वो फाइबर इज गॉन. So you must include all these vegetables. Don't juice them up, cut them. Your salads include fiber. So a fiber-rich diet is the best way to beat cholesterol. Okay? उसका मतलब ये है कि आपको मल्टीग्रेन रोटी खानी पड़ेगी. मल्टीग्रेन ब्रेड इन इंडिया इज अ जोक. इट्स नॉट मल्टीग्रेन. ठीक है? सो मल्टीग्रेन रोटी घर में बनाया, ओट्स खाया. अगर आपको कोलेस्ट्रॉल का एड्रेस करना है, then you can't make your oats in ghee or saute them in too much oil and then make a porridge or an upma out of it. Okay, so a low fat high fiber diet is something that is going to help you beat your cholesterol. और वो खाते ही जाना है. And when you want to eat a pizza, you must balance it out very well. ठीक है ना कुणाल? How to avoid sugar? Having no sugar makes me feel weak. Why would you avoid sugar in the first place? है ना? Yeah, you know what? You are at a stage. Anyone who gets a headache, जिसको headache हो जाता है after avoiding sugar, and anyone who feels that I'm very low on energy because they have cut out sugar from their diet, you have already become sugar sensitive. ठीक है, ये होना नहीं चाहिए. सो शुगर मोस्टली लोगों को लगता है मैंने चाय में शक्कर बंद कर दी, आई एम गुड, मैंने मिठाई बंद कर दी, आई एम गुड. बट आप लोगों को पता है कि इनविजिबल शुगर्स भी है. अगर आप फिर भी जूस पी रहे हो, दैट इज इनविजिबल शुगर, है ना. सो चाय का शुगर कट करने से बेटर है लेट्स लर्न अबाउट इनविजिबल शुगर्स. वेयर आर दीज इनविजिबल शुगर्स? दे आर इन योर बिस्किट. Invisible sugars are in your flavored yogurt. Invisible sugar is in your ketchup, is in your jam, is in your dark chocolate, is in your chikki, is in your anjeer, is in your sugar-free mithai. It is in all these things. ठीक है ना. अगर आप कोई चिवड़ा भी खा रहे हो, so that sweet tinge is coming because of added sugar. So anything that you buy, you turn around and you see added sugars or carbohydrates होते ही है. If you are eating muesli, there is muesli with honey and raisins. That is a big source of sugar. So first and foremost, don't avoid sugar. Make sure that you are eating foods which are high on natural sugar. You give your body a little bit of time. अब आपकी body को थोड़ा time लगेगा to absorb the sugar. Okay? You have to absorb the sugar from the banana and feel satisfying. थोड़ा सा वक्त लगता है बिकॉज बनाना में फाइबर होता है और आपकी बॉडी अब यूज टू हो गई है टू गेट इंस्टेंट शुगर. ओके, सो नो, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू अवॉइड शुगर. यू आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट यूजिंग नेचुरल शुगर. एप्पल की शुगर, बनाना की शुगर, वो अंजीर की शुगर आपको यूज करनी है आपकी बॉडी में. ऑल राइट. What are the substitutes? Sugar, the substitute is fattening. जी हाँ, I am not a big fan of putting anything artificial, in your diets. It's not something that मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता कि आप कुछ artificial खाओ. So अगर आपको sugar substitute चाहिए, हाँ, many of you think natural. Very good question, विशाल. Many of you think that मैं शुगर नहीं लेती लेकिन मैं हनी लेती हूँ. Well, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of jaggery. Okay, both of these have equal calories. ठीक है. So yeah, that is the case. So अगर आप ये नहीं और ये यूज करो, आप वो नहीं तो वो यूज करो, नहीं, calories and the amount of it spiking your blood sugar is also the same. So consider all of them as equal dangers. But yes, natural sugar in the diet is something that, as I said, आप include करना शुरू करो. ठीक है ना. Then there is diet for joint pain. Joint pain can be 2 types. One is because of being overweight. Okay, हमको joint pain हो रहा है because your muscles and your bones are not able to support your weight. एक तो वो है और दूसरा है arthritis. आर्थराइटिस 2 किस्म का होता है. एक है ऑस्टियो आर्थराइटिस और एक है आर्थराइटिस विच इज रूमेटॉइड. ओके, हर एक का फंक्शन अलग होता है कुणाल. सो जॉइंट पेन के लिए आई थिंक यू शुड कंसल्ट अ डाइटिशियन ऑन द पर्सनल फ्रंट. ओके, देन आई हैड अ क्वेश्चन. नेचुरल सब्स्टिट्यूट्स हो गया. कैन 2 to 3 बनानास बी ईटन इन अ डे? डज इट एड टू कैलोरीज? हाँ, क्यों नहीं. सो it's like eating only gobi ki sabzi throughout the year. How can you eat only gobi? The nutrition that is there, gobi में अगर vitamin, arbitrarily I'm saying, gobi में अगर vitamin B6 है तो कैप्सिकम में विटामिन सी है. अगर आप एक ही फ्रूट या एक ही सब्जी खाते जाओगे, if you keep doing that and if you keep eating that, it is not going to help you because you're not exposing your body to different nutrition. अगर भगवान को एक ही सुपर फूड बनाना होता, then why would we end up growing so many things, isn't it? There is a particular reason why things are there. You know why carrots are coming in winter? गाजर विंटर में आता है ना, because they have a lot of beta carotene and liver के पास एक सुपर पावर है, वो बीटा कैरोटीन स्टोर करके रखता है right up till the month of April and May जब आम आने लगते हैं, because that is the time जब आपकी बॉडी को दूसरी बार बीटा कैरोटीन मिलता है. So right from the time from April till I think हम लोग खींच के जुलाई तक मैंगो ले आते हैं मुंबई में, तो तब तक आपके पास बीटा कैरोटीन बनने लगता है. The moment your beta carotene, then you start using this beta carotene till December when the lal gajar comes. So storage is very important. If storage is very important, means eating local is very important, है ना, right? Farheen is saying, I joined late, but I want to see all diets that come in fiber. What I'll do is, Farheen, I will give you www.balancenutrition.in. ये वेबसाइट पे जाइए प्लीज, एंड वहाँ पे गो टू द ब्लॉग सेक्शन एंड गो टू द सेक्शन ऑफ go to the section of even recipes, and let me also bring you to okay, ANCENUTRITION.in. If you follow this page also, you will get a lot of information on fiber. And yes, on that page you will have a chat option also available. We will try and help you as much as we can. Then there is a question. Is there any other question that I am looking at? How is Greek yogurt mixed with fruit at night, and can it be considered a dessert? I think हम सबको पता है Greek yogurt क्या है, isn't it? Do all of us know Greek yogurt? Yeah. It is a high protein food that has come in the market. हमारे दही से 2 या 3 ग्राम प्रोटीन उसमें ज़्यादा होता है. I personally also like it, but I don't like the flavored versions that come in. Greek yogurt को अगर use ही करना है, let me share a very nice recipe. Take some Greek yogurt. There are chia seeds also. Soak some chia seeds. Put those chia seeds in your Greek yogurt. Put a fruit. थोड़ा सा muesli top करो, and make sure you have 1 katori of it. It's quite high on calories, so I would want to eat it as a breakfast or a mid-morning or in between my meals, but it is a beautiful snack that I would want to snack on. ठीक है ना? Is there any question that I have missed here? PCOS, I agreed. Snacks for kids, I agreed. Dry fruit का quantity हो गया. And what is the best time to have fruits and nuts? Nice question. फ्रूट्स खाने का सबसे अच्छा टाइम हम इंडियंस के पास है पोस्ट डिनर. वी लाइक टू सिट विद आवर फ्रूट पोस्ट डिनर एंड कट इट एंड ईट इट व्हाइल वाचिंग टीवी, बट दैट इज नॉट द बेस्ट वे टू ईट योर फ्रूट. फ्रूट खाने के साथ या खाने के बाद की चीज नहीं है. फ्रूट अपने आप में एक मील है. सो इफ यू आर ईटिंग अ फ्रूट इन द मिड मॉर्निंग, दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन द अब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम योर फ्रूट्स विल बी अमेजिंग. ठीक है ना? आप सबसे ज्यादा what do you say, absorption कर पाओगे आपके nutrients का at that time and during evening time. उसके आगे या उसके पीछे there should not be a big heavy meal following it, and there should not be a big meal, अगर fruit खाया within 10 minutes you're eating a big meal. No, give it half an hour, है ना? Half an hour here, half an hour there. Then there is a question कि for cholesterol, can I eat flax seeds daily? Flax seeds again is not such a superfood that we consider it as a cure or a management of your cholesterol. It is rich in omega-3, omega-6, so yeah, it's okay. It's not such a big deal, but ठीक है ना? और daily खा के अगर adjust कर पा रहे हो, not bad at all. ठीक है? I sent a query on email. I don't see it getting addressed. Team, can you please put that query here? The team that is organizing this webinar, if you put the query here, because I didn't get anything. Are yogurts healthier than curd? See, yogurt is again finally coming in a packet. So I don't see, if you are a normal, if you're not wanting to become Shah Rukh Khan, or if you're not having any six-pack ab issues, or if you are completely eating and having the lifestyle of a regular Indian guy, I would easily go and have my dahi. Why? घर में बनता है जब दही, it's cost effective. Why to go in the market and have a Greek yogurt, Yeah, exactly. And curd and paneer also. But Kunal, I'll tell you one thing. Paneer जो है, it is something that हम सबको बहुत पसंद है. But 30 grams of paneer, which is like this much, है ना? 30 grams of paneer gives you 100 calories. So be easy. That much has 8 grams of fat also. So yeah, even when you're having paneer, just make sure you're having. They could have it. Our ancestors could have it, but these people cannot have it, है ना? there is another very interesting question that is saying why low carb diets are not working long and why weight is stuck. For that matter, see, we are Indians, तो भले ही आप लो कार्ब कर लो, चाहे आप कीटो कर लो, whatever you do, weight loss ऐसा करो जो sustainable हो, है ना. If you are going to feel hungry on a particular diet, that means that diet is wrong for you. Okay, so nutritionist I always say कि मैं जो भी diet दूँ, make sure that you come and tell me if you're hungry. You're not supposed to be hungry. It's not allowed to be hungry. तो low carb diets और जो भी हमारे fads है ना, as much as possible try and avoid it. The best way to lose weight is following a principle where you can take that principle for a long time. अगर आपको intermittent fasting पसंद है कि आपको लगता है कि नहीं I can control my timings, make sure you're controlling your timings and you're controlling your portion sizes. ये दोनों अगर आप control कर पाओ ना, you're going to be a winner. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, you know, most of them complain that यार मैं तो सिर्फ शाम को I just have 2 biscuits with my tea and I still am gaining weight. I'm like, yeah, because that made you have 60 biscuits in a month and that 2 kgs is showing here. So पूरे दिन low calorie करो and you know, no, you can't. And we have, is milk with wheat flakes and sugar-free muesli a good option or any other brand you suggest? If you are having a breakfast of you know, muesli and you know, wheat flakes or anything, it is perfectly all right. But what I would do is I would not just have muesli or just have wheat flakes. I would want oat, you know, I would one day have some sugar-free muesli. जो भी खाऊं, I would not add honey or sugar or anything on top of it. I would depend on the sweetness of adding a chopped banana, adding a chopped apple to it to make sure that you know, getting food groups, सारे food groups मिल रहे हैं आपको. So yeah, bakeries I think is good, but make sure it is, ठीक है ना. I feel I eat quite well and exercise regularly, but I don't lose weight. So if your question is on weight loss के लिए आपको एक कैलोरी डेफिसिट क्रिएट करना पड़ता है. If you are somebody जिसने 1500 कैलोरीज खानी है, वो 1500 कैलोरीज में से अगर आपकी कैलोरीज कार्ब्स और फैट और प्रोटीन से आनी है, what we do is we don't cut your 1500 calories. We make sure that we are changing the amount of easily the food that you gain weight with. So अगर आप normal मैदे की रोटी खा रहे हो या गेहूं की रोटी खा रहे हो, for a few days we'll say why don't you have मकई की रोटी और जवार की रोटी. मकई की रोटी और जवार की रोटी में फाइबर ज़्यादा है. अगर उसमें फाइबर ज़्यादा है, वो आपको फुल that 100 calories will have more fiber, keep you full for a longer time, है ना. So that is the reason that you will not gain weight, including more vegetables and more fruits in your diet. लेकिन as I said, don't count you know, butter वाला पालक पनीर as a healthy item. So आपकी calorie requirements एक बात है. Like you know, if I have to tell you, compare, let's compare, okay. अगर आपके पास आज एक bowl of दही and fruit है, okay, and that dahi and fruit together, like yogurt fruit together is 250 calories, okay, but आपके पास यहाँ एक cola है and that cola same amount 250 ml, okay, of cola is having 100 calories. So what one will you choose? Will you choose the 100 calorie cola or will you choose that 200 calorie dahi and you know, mixture of fruit? You will choose the dahi and you will choose the fruit, but 200 calories नहीं, आपको आधी कटोरी खानी है. You understand? That is a little complex और इसीलिए we tell the clients to stay with us for 3 to 4 months to understand ये mix and match कैसे होता है. Avocado healthy है, ठीक है, एक साइड पे एक स्लाइस ऑफ एवोकाडो है जिसमें से अबाउट 100 कैलोरीज है और दूसरे साइड पे एक बोल ऑफ स्ट्रॉबेरीज है जो इतनी सारी है और उसमें भी 100 कैलोरीज है. व्हाट विल यू चूज? आई विल चूज द स्ट्रॉबेरीज इफ आई हैव टू लूज वेट, बिकॉज मेरा पेट भर जाएगा. स्ट्रॉबेरीज इतनी सारी है, आई विल बी इन अ बेटर पोजिशन. आई डोंट नीड दैट एवोकाडो का फैट. दोनों हेल्दी ही थे, बट आई सिलेक्टेड दैट. यू अंडरस्टैंड माई पॉइंट? आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट ऑल ऑफ यू, और इज इट टू मच टू डील विथ, है ना? और अगर आपको लगता है कि फीलिंग हंग्री इज द साइन ऑफ वेट लॉस, देन नो, फीलिंग हंग्री इज नॉट द साइन ऑफ वेट लॉस. ठीक है ना? So yeah, when you are exercising and when you are eating well and you want to lose weight, so भैया आपको थोड़ा खाना और कम करना पड़ेगा. अगर आप एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो then you have a problem. ठीक है? Understood? All right. Can you suggest a home-friendly BCA is a good option while exercising? Branch chain amino acids. I am not very happy with supplementing. जब तक diet में मिल रहा है, diet से मिल रहा है, try and avoid using any kind of supplements. है ना? Can you suggest a home-friendly timetable for working from home people? Or can you follow what you did in office plus the 2 hours you spent in travel? So if I start my travel at 8 o'clock and I'm coming back home by 7, try and work only in those hours. है ना? आपका traveling भी include कर दो आपके work में, and that is what it is. These are the hours you should be working with. And आप एक lunch break लेते हो तो एक lunch break ले लो, है ना? How good is plain Greek yogurt? Yeah, I think I answered that. Oh, okay. No, Anjana, we don't need the fat of avocado. जो fat avocado में है, omega 3, omega 6, बहुत सारी और चीज़ों में है, right? What I would also do is, I can't seem to wait. Let me see if I can send you a link. All of the participants here, okay? That link is going to tell you. If you take that link, score कर लो वो, okay? Can you pin it, Tarana? But let me find out. Let me give you that health score link. आप है ना वो भरो, and you will we will give you an email back which will tell you what is your ideal body weight, what is your BMI, ठीक है? And we will also tell you where you stand in terms of your health. Okay, let me see if I can copy it and give it to you guys on chat. ठीक है? Perfect. This is completely free. So please go ahead and do it. You will get a very nice report also. ठीक है? Awesome. And should we take omega 3 in our diet? What are the benefits? Omega 3 and omega 6 are just like any other nutrients that you require, और वो इतनी बड़ी मात्रा में भी ज़रूरी नहीं है. So if you are including 1 almond and 1 walnut in your diet, we are good. ठीक है ना guys? Okay? Perfect. I have sent it to some Farheen Khan. हाँ, link Farheen can, because I think wait, I should make this public. No, I don't think I can make it public. I don't know, but there is a Farheen Khan. Farheen, can you share that link so people can? Yeah, I think he did. He shared it. Okay, how to stay fit during the pandemic and keep a healthy lifestyle. How to stay fit during pandemic is eat a little lesser than what you were eating before the lockdown. ठीक है? Make sure that you are including 2 fruits in your diet daily, not as a dessert but in between your meal, and go back to the kitchen and दिन में एक बार आप ये वाला एक drink पियो. ठीक है? Take 1.5 cups of water, put it on your gas, let it come to a slow boil. If you have green tea at home, please add the green tea, cut that packet, add that green tea, add 1 long, add 1 pepper powder, and what else do you have at home? Do you have dalchini at home? Add that. Okay, let it come to a nice boil. Kitchen भी बहुत fragrant हो जाएगा. I add a little bit of pudina patta also. I add a little bit of adrak also, and I just strain it. Okay, when I'm straining it, मुझे हनी की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है, but अगर आप लोगों को पड़े तो प्लीज़ थोड़ी सी हनी डालो. और अगर आपको नहीं पड़े उसकी ज़रूरत, so then you add 1/4 teaspoon of haldi in it and you drink this. Okay, keep doing this and I'm telling you आपकी immunity बहुत सही सी रहेगी. Is there any other question that we have that I should be answering? Is eating fruit late at night bad? हाँ, it is bad because you are just piling on the calorie. वो आपके साथ सो जाएगा. Fruit is something dynamic that you should eat it in between your meals. Different types of greens 4 times a week. Why different types of greens 4 types a week? You should have 2 fruits a day and you should have 3 types of vegetables a day. Salad form में खा लो, soup form में ले लो, पराठे में दे दो, कुछ भी कर लो, है ना? So you should have greens every single day. Why? You know, why only 4 times? है ना? Is drinking milk good at night? Drinking milk is very good at night, but again, let me give you a recipe of the milk I think will help you guys a lot, and that is called as moon milk. ठीक है ना? Let me again open that link. Meanwhile, Tarana, can you send that link here? Let me see if I can, you know, check and I can share it. मून मिल्क में सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स है और सारे मसाले हैं जो you know will make sure that you guys are in the pink of health. ठीक है. Let me see if I can search moon milk here. Search here. Yeah, I got the link. Again, I will have to request someone who is able to put this on chat to please put this on chat. Excellent. Is curcumin fat soluble? Curcumin is a compound. It is soluble in fat, no, but it enhances, when you add curcumin, which is haldi se curcumin milega. When you add that, those things come out very, very well. Okay, so yes, the moon milk recipe is right there, guys. Make sure that you are having a nice warm cup of moon milk. बहुत अच्छी नींद आई. Most of you think that there is only diet plays a role or only exercise plays a role or only fitness plays a role. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You will have to realize that अगर आपको आज choice लेना है कि आप workout करें और आपको नींद आ रही है तो आप सोए. You should be taking the sleep first. Okay. If you are having a very important meeting like mine and if you're feeling thirsty like I am right now, take a break and have that water. Because if you don't have this water, what you are doing is you are not listening to your body and hydrating yourself. Water, air, okay, sleep and food. These three, the day they are in proportion, ना आपको कोई stress होगा, ना acidity होगा, ना hormonal problems होगा, nothing at all. ये छोटू सा balance जो है, that is what I think we, miss most of the times. Interesting question. Is it true that you should drink your vegetables and eat your fruits? नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Fruit juices is something that I am not a big fan of because fruit juices में जो सबसे ज़्यादा important है, the peel of the fruit, the bulk of the fruit, we tend to throw that. जब आप वो फेंक देते हो और आप जो पी रहे हो, okay, what you're drinking is nothing but, okay, let me just put this on charge. Otherwise, I will lose you guys. So what you are putting in your stomach is only sugar and a little bit of B complex vitamins. लेकिन सारा folate, iron, fiber जो fruit में था वो हमने फेंक दिया. Okay, so I always say eat your fruits. Eat your vegetables as much as you can. But yes, अगर आप इतने vegetables नहीं खा सकते, so I am someone who says okay, एक ABC juice पी लो. ABC juice, apple, beetroot, carrot. So something like that. But the more you eat your fruits and the more you eat your vegetables, the healthier you are and your heart is. Okay. Is there a way of establishing whether you are getting adequate amount of nutrients? जी हाँ. अगर आप थके हारे नहीं उठ रहे हो, अगर आपको ड्यूरिंग द डे आपका बच्चा खेलने के लिए बुलाए और आप नो लेटर मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ नहीं बोल रहे हो, अगर आप रात को 10 बजे स्लीपी हो and you actually get good sleep, that means that you are adequate in your nutrient intake. How good is having garlic in the morning? Garlic is, yes, a very, very good food, a very, very good, addition in your diet. But I must tell you something. We are all friends with Google. आपको पता है Google क्या है या ये सर्च इंजिन्स जो भी यूज करते हैं वो क्या है? मेरे जैसे किसी ने या मेरे जैसे millions of people who found some article, who made some article, just put it up on Google. Okay, Google अपने खुद के algorithms use करता है और any algorithms for their private personal benefit. If I am giving money, my website and my article will be first. So आप लोग वो पहली वाली चीज पढ़ के अपना opinion बना लेते हो that oh my god, garlic is superb और oh my god, olive oil was very good last month. This month olive oil के बारे में एक बुरी research आई है. What you need to understand is food is grey. ठीक है ना? It's grey. If you have it in the right proportion at the right time, it is wonderful. अगर आप उसे abuse करोगे, अगर आप उसे बहुत खाओगे, अगर आप उसे गलत तरीके से खाओगे, it will come back and react badly with you. So everything is grey. Garlic is also good. Methi seeds are also good. You have to see how it is suiting you and how it is suiting yours. मुझे पूछते हैं ना आपकी डाइट कैसी होगी, so I say नहीं, I don't have a type. ना मैं लो कैलोरी डील करती हूँ, ना मैं कीटो देती हूँ. It all depends on what the person is and how the person is like. We have an air hostess as a client. We have a pilot. In fact, we are very proud of Shalu. She was the first person to take the Air India flight in May when India needed, those COVID suits and India needed PPE suits. She flew the plane to China and she came back. And then that time, जब lockdown was at its highest peak, है ना, तब वो गई थी. And then she only says that it's thanks to the way I have learned how to eat. Okay, आज भी touch wood, she's extremely fit and fine. I eat proper fiber daily, 1 fruit, nuts. I'm constipated. Very nice question. फाइबर का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप फाइबर खा के ठीक ठाक रहोगे. फाइबर नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर. आपको पता है आप फालूदा पीते हो, सो मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव सीन दोज सीड्स स्वेल. अगर आपने इसबगुल लिया होगा तो आपने देखा होगा 1 घंटे के बाद द इसबगुल स्वेल सो मच that it becomes solid, the water is all gone. ओट्स भी इतने जल्दी. सो जस्ट इमेजिन अगर आप 1 चम्मच इसबगुल 1 ग्लास में डालते हो और वो इतना थिक हो जाता है, उसको डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए आपको 4 ग्लास पानी पीना पड़ेगा, तब जाके वो आपके सिस्टम से निकलेगा. हाई फाइबर विथ हाई वाटर is, I think you all taught me something very nicely today. High fiber with high water is something that is a good diet and not just high fiber. Okay, हमेशा याद रखना कि 1 चम्मच ओट्स को 1 ग्लास लगता है. So if you're adding 1 spoon of oats in your recipe, add 1 glass of water extra in your diet today. ठीक है? Which is the best cooking oil? Very nice question. जैसे मैंने फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स के बारे में बताया, आई टोल्ड यू गाइज दैट फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स आर समथिंग दैट व्हेन यू ईट अ वेराइटी यू गेट एवरीथिंग. सेम अप्लाइज टू योर ऑयल्स. अगर आपके पास पीनट ऑयल है, अगर आपके पास सनफ्लावर ऑयल है, सो वन इज वेरी रिच इन वन पर्टिकुलर एसिड. देयर इज, if I explain that to you it becomes too much. There is mono mufa and there is pufa and mono unsaturated and there are triglycerides and then there is trans fat and all of this is happening. What I would say is every time you buy one oil, so this time you bought peanut oil, next time आप sunflower ले लो, उसके बाद olive oil ले लो, उसके बाद safflower ले लो, उसके बाद, so in a year आप 4-5 types के oil घर में use करो. That is the best way to get your oils. ठीक है ना? Are you not bored of listening to me, guys? Yeah. Is there any other question that I have missed or forgotten? Anyone? Any more questions, guys? Acha. Which is the best cooking oil? Very interesting. Thank you, Kunal. Thank you so much. Anyone else has any questions? I think then we should call it a day. Yeah. Saturday evening hai. Enjoy yourself. Oh, I have someone who's asking, having milk in the morning as breakfast. Okay, milk has protein, milk has fat, almond has fat. Where is your carbohydrate? So have some sort of carbohydrate to make this a complete meal. Also, you don't have a fruit, so you won't get your vitamins. Ghee or mustard oil for cooking? Both for cooking. 1 spoon of ghee throughout the day, 3 spoons of oil. What is the best time for your last meal? 2 hours before you go to sleep, try. 1.5 hour, cut down. उसके बाद कुछ नहीं. What is the secret of your hair? Eating lots of fruit, lots of vegetables, drinking lots of water. That's it. Nothing at all. And making sure that I don't use too many products. Cancer patient can have milk? Yes, Radhika, but मुझे ये पता करना पड़ेगा what stage of cancer it is. है ना? And there is a lot in nutrition and cancer that one can do. Water immediately after meals. पीना चाहिए पानी immediately after meals? Well, our degree, okay, we have about 30 nutritionists on board. Our degree is modern nutrition science. ये जो concept है of water during, after and all that, what we it's an Ayurvedic concept. So my expertise is not in that. हम recommend करते हैं कि खाने के साथ थोड़ा पानी पियो, because otherwise your fiber and your digestion will not take place. So it is an Ayurvedic concept, not a modern nutrition science one. How much water should I have? ये भी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन है. हम ना ऐसे रिकमेंडेशन दे देते हैं, हैव 8 glasses water, 12 glasses water, 11 glasses water. I would say have water when you're thirsty. Okay? Yeah, you should have water when you're thirsty. और आप लोगों को ये पता करना है कि प्लीज 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 अंडरस्टैंड योर बॉडी इज टेलिंग यू when you're thirsty, like right now. Okay? So this is your own call. I am not someone who will give any amount of glasses. ठीक है नेहा, I think I'll help you personally out. Okay, internship के लिए I will just help you out. Then there is how can one reduce water retention. Water retention is hormonal imbalance. हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस का मतलब ये है कि हमारे हार्मोन्स ऊपर नीचे है. हार्मोन्स क्यों ऊपर नीचे है? क्योंकि हमारा बॉडी फैट थोड़ा ज्यादा है और हमारी लाइफ में स्ट्रेस थोड़ा ज्यादा है. स्ट्रेस को कंट्रोल करना हमारे हाथ में है, बॉडी फैट को कंट्रोल करना with what you're eating. If you are keeping a very good body fat percentage, then you will not have water retention. ठीक है, so body fat कम करो. नमक and water, sugar, जब भी craving हो ना, think 10 times before putting that thing in your mouth. Someone had asked me something on dark chocolate. I am not getting that. But dark chocolate के लिए अगर आपके पास एक आंसर मुझे अगर आपको देना हो, dark chocolate is very healthy. Google जब बोलता है, at that time Google is talking about the chocolate that has not been treated with milk, that has not been treated with fat. The chocolates that you eat, 90% cocoa, 80% cocoa, they have added milk fat, they have added calories and they have added sugar because 10% तो वो cocoa नहीं है. 100% cocoa is very bitter. Okay? Why is it difficult to lose belly fat? It is not difficult to lose lower belly fat. It is the muscle which is the least used. Okay? So when you are losing weight, एक अच्छी dietitian का ये काम होता है कि आपका fat loss हर जगह से हो. Spot reduction is a joke. Never believe anyone who says I will make you lose fat on the arms, I will make you lose fat on the thighs. Weight loss happens overall. Sonali, you're super good. Thank you. Whenever I take protein like eggs and protein powder, my stomach is becoming hell. प्रोटीन इज अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट टू डाइजेस्ट. अगर आपका स्टमक थोड़ा भी वीक है तो आप नहीं यूज कर पाओगे प्रोटीन डाइजेस्ट. गो इजी. ओके, प्रोटीन इज नॉट समथिंग दैट ओ हाई प्रोटीन सुन के वी ऑल ट्राई टू डू दैट. टेक वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम. लेट योर बॉडी गेट फ्रेंडली विथ इट. डोंट इंक्लूड सडनली एक गूगल पे पढ़ के हाई अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोटीन इन योर डाइट. ठीक है ना? And anyone who's listening to me, please take that health score. You will get to know your ideal body weight, your BMI, your degree of obesity, and the team will give you a score which will make it happen. Okay? What is your idea about fat freeze? Joke. Can I eat jaggery instead of sugar? Radhika, जब मैं ये वीडियो डालूंगी सेव करके, that time you watch it and it will be telling you this answer. Jaggery and sugar have same calories, by the way. Yeah. I think, how can I cure acidity? A, have lots of water. B, do not sit immediately and do not slouch after eating your meal. C, see the amount of spice you are eating. D, don't eat too fast. And E, try and include 1 kakdi and 1 banana in your diet. Even when I eat a small amount of cake, so you must be having a protein in protein allergy. Just see what is happening with you. You need a doctor, Zainab. Yeah, I think pretty much I've answered everything. Yeah, guys. Okay, so I will now sign off. Can I?